As you can see, it's actually crunching up. We just need a little. Hers is so sticky. حطيه بعد activator انتي شوفي.
I don't. I want activator.
I also need a little more activator to crunch it up.
I love it, the slime.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. برو هذا شوفي.
يا جماعة احنا نتكلم عربي وانجليزي فلا تنسوا.
She said that عندي بعد subscribers Muslim.
وإماراتي.
Hey. Okay, so I told her that I have some subscribers that are Muslim, same like us. So when we're done mixing and it turns into slime,
I did it.
I'll update you guys.
I finished.
Oh, she already finished, guys. So I'll be back when I'm ready. Okay, guys. So this whole time it was actually slime, but I would just keep on mixing. I thought it wasn't. It's kind of watery, and we do not have any more glue because it's finished. So we're gonna try to go to the supermarket to see if they have any glue. Wow, it's my favorite slime. Wait, I said it became good now. Oh, yay, guys. بس باقي شوية activator لأن شوفي مو بسترتي وايد. So I said to her that we need a little more
خليتيني أصب.
I said to her that we need a little more activator to make it more stretchy. As you can see, it isn't that stretchy. Yeah.
To make a
What is she singing, guys?
Guys.
So this is part 2, guys, because the last one just ended.
I finished
quickly.
this.
She finished. مسكر وايد لأنه فتح شوية.
Okay.
Yay, guys, it works. Oh, we did this slime, guys, together. It's so big. مو صح إنه سوينا هالسلام مع بعض.
Yeah.
This. Let me show you guys. So I'll put this on 3 times speed because the video is also about to end again. Okay, so we opened the slime, guys. Look at it. Look at the slime we both made together. مو صح إحنا سوينا هالسلام مع بعض. Alright, we made the slime together.
عشان نقهر المقهورين.
Huh? Listen to this ASMR. Listen. So we're gonna do some ASMR, guys. Her brother's sleeping, guys, so we need to be quiet. Shh. Okay, bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe. Bye. Guys, she wanted to say bye. Bye.